This is a quick and easy DIY. All you will need is some glass vases. These are from the Dollar Tree, but you can also purchase them from Walmart. These mirrors are also from the Dollar Tree. This ribbon also from the Dollar Tree, and you would find this mostly at Christmas time. Strong adhesive, and all you would have to do is measure the ribbon around the base, and where the ribbon meets, that's where I cut it. Then I measured the same 2 pieces. I then take the scissors and I cut this edge all the way around. Then I use the strong adhesive. I put it on one corner here. I put a little bit in the middle. Then I wrap it all the way around. And then I cut a thinner strip. I did the same thing. I put it all. Then I glued the vase onto the mirror, and ta-da! You have some glass